All right, my friends, how are you today? Hopefully, everyone had a happy Saturday, a happy new moon, right there in Libra. And now we're talking about Sunday. All right, this is our daily horoscope for the 29th of September 2019. Sunday fun day. All right, so we had the new moon. All right, we're seeing our vision of the future manifesting, coming to life with the help of others, right? Arm in arm, we link up and we find those who are sharing a similar or same vision, all right? And we're able to create something greater than oneself. And now the moon travels a little bit further into Libra and connects exactly with Venus. All right, now this is a really beautiful time because Venus is home right now. Venus is home in the sign of Libra. Venus rules two different signs. So we rule Taurus, which is all about material possessions, right? Things that I love, this necklace or this microphone or, whatever it may be. And then over in Libra, this is, about other people. So this is the other people, So when we have our emotional moon of what we want, need, and desire, linked up with our planet of beauty, love, and desire, it's overwhelming with joy. Okay, and this is Sunday, it's a fun day. This is a light, jovial air, air sign. We also have Mercury there at 24 degrees, and that's creating a septile over to Jupiter. Okay, now those septiles, that's fated energy. Okay, so we have, love planets, and what we need are just filling an emotional void. Okay, and then we have our planet of communication there in the diplomatic sign of Libra, saying I want to be even, I want to be honest, I want to see it both sides, and work this out. I want to work this out with you and figure out a way that we can make this work together. Let's figure this out. And that's creating that septile up to Jupiter in Sagittarius. Now the septile is fate. Okay, so this is like fated communication, and this communication is higher communication. Okay, this is about expansion. This is about not just about our personal expansion, but our expansion together. Okay, expansion with one another. Okay, and again, that is business, personal, and again, romantic relationships. Again, with Venus being involved in her home planet and the moon being involved, yes, we can kind of see a highlight on the romantic side of this. But even if you're not, and you're like, Aaron, I'm not in any kind of a romantic relationship, not looking for anything like that, then what we can see out of that is our personal love, our personal desires, really aligning with that of others' personal desires and coming together. So it's just like we're finding a core team, right? So it's just a very exciting time. It's a very exciting time, and this again, and whatever communication comes up and arises on this Sunday fun day, this is fated. This is deep. This is deep. This is coming, coming from the outside in, So just be prepared. Whatever messages we're receiving, it's just like we're receiving messages from the angels today. Okay, so it's really exciting, especially after that new moon. It's just like this clarifying vision, finding our core team members, and then being able to have this insight. Not just communication, but right, Mercury is insight. It's information. So whatever information or communication comes into you today, this is fate. Okay, this is bigger than self. So this is really, really exciting energy. I hope you have a beautiful Sunday. Thank you, as always, for hanging out with me, and we'll see you tomorrow.